Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I get this yellowish orangey eye look. And for this makeup look, I'll be using the Carity Professional 21 Highly Pigmented Matte Eyeshadow Palette. I really wanted to play around with different colors, so I saw that I had this Carity palette sitting in one of my drawers, and all the beautiful colors that it had really inspired me to just play a little bit and step out of the just like the normal nudes. And I do want to give some credit to this brand just because I think, in my opinion, it's very good quality and it's the same price. It's around the same pricing as other makeup palettes. And I thought, why not give this other brand a try and step out of the usual like other popular brands and just try a different brand and really see what they're all about. And so far I can say that I really like this palette. And as you guys have seen in my previous videos, sometimes I throw in like little brands that not a lot of people or like YouTube gurus mention, just because I think they are also very high quality for either lower or about the same pricing of these other popular brands. And sometimes you never know, you get really surprised at how these other brands are very high quality as well. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this very yellowish orangey inspired look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so we're gonna move in right into the eye look. So for this makeup look, I'm gonna be using the Carity Professional 21 Highly Pigmented Matte Eyeshadows, which is this palette right here. And for the first shade, I'm going to be using Luxuria, which is this white shade right here. And we're going to use that shade basically to set the whole eye, to just put a base for the upcoming shadows. For the next shade, I'm going to go in with the shade Coquette, which is this shade right here. And Coquette is more of a peachy pink color. And I'm really going to pack that color in and use that on our crease and a little bit above the crease. For this next shade, I'm going to use Unsafe, which is a very chocolatey color, and concentrate that over the Coquette shade, but bringing it a little bit lower, closer to the lid. Moving on to the next shade, I'm going to use Vegas, which is this very orangey shade. And I'm going to concentrate that color mainly on the outer corner of the eye and bringing it in about midway to the eyelid. With this color, you really have to take your time, just because that other brown shade is there and you want to really pack on the orange. To make that orange color pop a little more, I'm gonna pick up the shade and then I'm gonna spray it with the MAC Prep and Prime spray just to make that color pop a little bit more. When you first do this, it's gonna look like the color actually toned down a little bit, but I'm gonna grab the other side of the brush, pick up the shade, so it could be dry, and pack that on to the wetness again. And you'll see that the color is a little brighter. I'm gonna move into the next shade in the palette, and that's gonna be the shade 20, which is this yellow, really bright yellow color. And I'm gonna apply that color on the inner corner of the eye. And just like I did with the orange shade, I'm gonna pick up the yellow shade and then wet it with the spray just to add a little bit more brightness to the color. For this next part of the eye look, I'm going to go in with the Frankie Rose Cosmetics eyeliner, and I'm going to use a flat definer brush. And I'm not going to do a dramatic eyeliner wing. I'm just going to concentrate the eyeliner on the edge of the eyelash. Actually guys, I meant to say first go in with the small angle brush. Go in with the eyeliner. And I'm just going to concentrate this, like I said, on the very close to the eyelash. And the eyeliner doesn't have to be perfect because I'm gonna go in with that flat definer brush that I told you guys to use in the first place. I mean this one. And we're actually gonna smudge out that eyeliner just to make it a little bit smokier effect. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna blend in Coquette and Unsafe, this peachy color and the brown color that we used initially. I'm really just gonna focus that on the outer mid of the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna grab that orange shade with a separate pencil brush and concentrate that shade in the middle portion of the lower lash line. And then with a separate pencil brush, go in with that yellow shade and focus that in the inner corner of the lower lash line. Basically, we're following the same that we did on the top of the eye. We're gonna do the same to the lower lash line. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes and apply mascara, and then I'll be back to show you which eyelashes I'll be using for this eye look. Alright guys, so I'm going to be moving on to the eyelashes, and I'm going to be using these very fluffy eyelashes. I don't know where these eyelashes are from. I want to think or I want to say they're either from the Ardell brand or the Kiss brand, because I know those are the two main brands that I use for eyelashes. I just don't know what are the names of them or what style they're in. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply the eyelash. Alright guys, so that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me get ready and do this makeup look. I know I wanted to step out of my comfort zone just a little bit and just mess around with colors, and this is what I came up with. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you guys want to see more videos from me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.